Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to tell you another story called the Catching the Thief. Once there was a farmer who lived in a small farm. He grew corn on his farm every year. It was just sufficient for his family. It was the month of April and the wheat harvest was ready. The farmer was very happy to look at it and went home and made a plan to reap it the next day. The next morning, the farmer reached the farm along with his son. He was surprised to see the farm empty. Someone has reaped the harvest at night. The farmers felt sad and returned home. The helpless farmer went to the capital and sought permission to see the king. Reaching to the court, he told the king to punish the thief to get him this crop back. The king thought over the matter coolly and then sent his soldiers to bring all the farmers of the village before him. When they had come, the king said, "Here are some magic sticks of equal length. I give you each of stick. Bring them back tomorrow. If this stick will grow longer than others by 2 centimeters. The farmers went away. The farmers who had reaped the harvest of other farmers said to himself, "I am guilty of theft and my stick will increase by 2 centimeters. So I must cut a piece of 2 centimeters of my stick. In this way, I will not be caught." So he cut off his stick and shortened it. The next day, the farmer came to the court. Their sticks were compared of them was found to be shorter. Thus, the thief was caught. He was not only ordered to return the stolen harvest, but also jailed too. Friends, so this is the moral of this story. A guilty conscience need no accuse. So friends, never do stealing. It is a bad thing. You should ask and take permission before taking someone's thing. So friends, if you follow this rule, everyone will be your friend. Bye friends, meet you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.